Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Proudly Powered by WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to scroll down until you can see in here the option for appearance. Now click on this theme file editor right here, which is our last option. And then once you have clicked on it, it will show you this, which is your edit theme code. As of right now, I have my theme, which is 2020. Now I have in here also my theme files. Locate the theme file called footer right here. So just to create footer on this, here it is, footer.php. Click on it right there. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the code for that. Now what you can do is you can just scroll down right here until you can see this P class powered by WordPress. So just select that until the footer credits right here. Once you have done that, delete this. And then once you have deleted this, you can head over and then just save this progress that you have created right here, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.